Hello everybody, and thanks for joining me for yet another video. Tonight we are doing a Dutch pour, and guess what? It's not blue. Can you believe that? I'm not using blue. I'm gonna use some pink. So that's not what I typically use, but I've had a few people ask if I can do some pinks. So I'm going to do some pinks. Now, before I get started, for those of you who have seen the last few videos of mine, I have been telling you guys about this awesome silicone mat. For those of you who are new watching and don't know anything about it, this is a wonderful silicone mat that a lovely friend of mine, Adriana, has sent me from the US. It is, oh boy, 34 or 36 inches, I can't remember, by 24-ish. Check back the last few videos. I talk a lot more about it, and also check the description below. The link is in there as well. Now here's the kicker. This whole time I've been pronouncing this thing wrong, and Adriana constantly tells me the right way to pronounce it, and for some reason I could never get it right, but I finally have it. We've had quite the chuckle over it. I swear, I don't know why I can't get it right, but I finally have it right. So it's Loli Vefi. That's how you pronounce it. I was calling it Lolliveef and Lolliveefy, but no, it's called Loli Vefe. That's what it's called. Loli Vefe. Loli Vefe. That is how it's pronounced. So now that's stuck in my brain. So anywho, if you want the mat, click on the link in the description below. I'll put a link up here at the top as well for you guys to click on. If you want $5 off, put in the code Kanella 5, the number 5. Now I've had a few people complaining saying, oh, the code's not working for me. Well, the code's not going to work if you're spelling my name wrong. So that's the problem there. A few people have been complaining saying I can't get the code, but you're spelling my name wrong. So make sure you spell my name right and put the number 5 if you want to save $5. All right, so moving along, I have a 12 by 12 canvas here. I've already put my white base. So I used my paint that's already in here. It is Floetrol and Artist Loft Acrylic Flow White in here. The same thing is in here in my squeeze bottle. And I've already applied it on here. I'm going to pop the bubbles because I have not done that yet. And there's a hair in there. Hello, Juno hair. Oh, come on. Nope. Did I get it? I got it. Perfect. So I was resining on this table the other day, and these were the drips. This is what's so cool about this mat. So these little drips you could use, if you're doing any resin geodes or anything like that. They're really cool. They're like little raindrops. Look at that. Perfect. And these are all just from the drips off the bottom of my wood rounds from my previous video. Isn't that cool? So these are pretty cool. So this is why I love this mat. It's really, really cool. Really neat. All right. Colors I'm going to use today are Deep Magenta by Artist Loft. I haven't shaken them yet, so we'll go that. Light Magenta by Artist Loft. Give that a good shake. All right. And then I'm going to throw some purple in there. So I've got Dioxazine Purple by Liquitex Basics. And of course, we all know how much yellow and purple go so beautifully together. So I have Cadmium Yellow Deep Hue by Liquitex Basics. And for contrast, you know it, my favorite color at the moment, Antique Copper by Folk Art. Now, if you want to know how I mix my paints in these bottles and my ratios, check out video number 63. Again, it'll pop up here as well. Check that out. I have a full tutorial on how I mix my paints. That being said, let's get the show on the road, guys. All right, so let's start. I think I'm going to start. Let's start with the purple. Why not? All right, take the lid off. Make sure there's no gunk on the tip. All right. I'm going to puddle pour this time. Let's see what happens. It's been a long time since I've done a puddle pour with a Dutch because I've been doing the lines a lot lately. So it's been a long time since I've done this whole puddle pour. All right, yellow. Perfect. And I'm gonna add the, nope, I lied. I'm gonna do the deep magenta next. All right. Now I'll put the antique copper in between the pinks. Perfect. And last but not least, after I get this lid on, the light magenta. All right, there's some dry stuff. Oh yeah, there's a lot of dry stuff in there. Woo! Okay, so this is why, let me show you. It's important to clean the tip off before you start squeezing. Do you see the gunk right there? That just came out of the tip. Now, if I started squeezing that in there, it would have fell in there. You don't want that, trust me. It's gonna ruin your painting. All right. Let's add a bit more for good measure. All right. Got the colors. I am going to flood it with my white. Again, same thing that's in the other bottle. It's Floetrol with the Artist Loft Acrylic Flow White. All right. Perfect. Let's torch it because there's a lot of bubbles in there because I shook all the paints, but that's okay. Nothing the torch can't fix. All right. Move these guys over out of the way. Let's see what we got. All right, and let's blow it back over. Beauty. Although my yellow has gone MIA. The yellow is gone. But I like it. There's, wow, lots of white cells. Lots and lots of white cells. It's very interesting. All right, I'm going to torch it and see what happens. Lots of color coming up. Yeah, I've really lost the yellow in there. And I've lost, must be my white. I must have not mixed it properly because the white is just sucking all the color out. So I wonder if I should blow it some more and see if I can get the color to come out. Because there's a lot of color under there. Let's see. All right. This is very interesting. See, it's really white. And you know what happens when I don't like something? I'm going to end up scraping it in a sec. You watch. Must be the way I mixed my white. Ooh. Yeah, see, I'm looking at the camera and all I see is white and then just the color down in here. So I don't like that. Not liking it. Yeah, the white is just swallowing up my colors. And I'm not happy about that. Alrighty. You know what's gonna happen. Yeah, no matter how much I blow, it's just, the white is just sucking it up. But there's some really nice cells going on in there, but it's just every time I blow color, the white just covers it right back. So I'm not liking that. Yeah, no, I can't do it. It's not working for me. Bye-bye. All right, I'm gonna try that again. I really do believe it has to do with the fact that I did not mix my white paint properly. Clearly I didn't follow my own ratios. I think this is too thick. So I'm gonna have to do another bottle and just do it properly. I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with my white. Usually I do not have this problem with my white, but I can tell even right now with my spatula, it's actually thick. So that's not good. But I'm going to try it once more and see what happens. And then I'm not going to put too much white around my puddle pour. So we'll see what happens. Make sure I've got my edges recovered from any colored paint. All right. So let me torch it and pop the bubbles. All right, so I think I'm going to use more yellow this time because clearly it got lost in all that. Look at that. Look at the color underneath. Again, even here on the mat, it's really swallowing up my colors. So I'm a little annoyed actually with that. So, all right, I can see the canvas here, so I'm going to add some more white. Oh yeah, my white is too thick, clearly too thick. All right, let's try this again. I'm starting to think I shouldn't puddle pour now and I should just do a line again because it worked well for me last time. Oh, forget it. Let's just puddle pour. Let's just puddle pour. All right, purple. I'm gonna mix it up though a bit. I'm gonna try and put the yellow near the top. That way, see if I don't lose too much of it. All right, let's do the copper. And then the yellow. And the deep magenta. All right, so I switched up the order. All right. I don't know. Okay, I won't put too much white this time. That should be, hopefully. That was weird. My fire went out. All right, guys, let's try this again. Fingers crossed. Second time's a charm always for me, right, guys? Let's see. Could you hear me laughing? All right. There's a lot of color in there, but again, the white is swallowing up my colors. Not cool. All right. Let's blow some here and see what happens. All right, I'm just gonna torch the middle. See if I can get anything popping out here. Guys, I can't. I don't know. It's different. Like, I mean, it's definitely not the blues and purples that you're used to seeing. I'm gonna leave it though, because I mean, someone out there is gonna like it, right? At least I hope. If not, then not. Forgot my clip. What else is new? Come on, Kanella, seriously. All right. Yep, I did get my hair in the paint. What else is new? Oh no, it's not. It's not paint. I'm losing it. My hair's wet because I just washed it. Felt like wet paint. Oh, guys, it's been a busy day, I tell you. Let me tell you. All right. Okay, I think I'm just going to leave it. I'm sure the white's just going to swallow it up for sure. But let me bring you guys in for a close-up so you can see. And then you guys can tell me what you think in the comments. Maybe it'll grow on me. Who knows? Oh, you know what? What am I doing? Take it off the tripod, Kanella. Ouch. All right. Now let's try that again. Sorry, guys. All right. What do you think of this? Nice? Hot mess? I mean, there's a lot of cells going on in there. It's crazy. But what do you think? Love it? Hate it? Lots of stuff going on in there. I don't know. I can't decide what I think about it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're a new viewer and if you like what you see. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I post a new video, guys. And don't forget, all my social media links are listed below. And I think that's about it for now, guys. Just well, not really quick. It's 20 minutes. I was hoping to do a quick one, but I didn't think I would scrape the first one. Look at that mess. Anywho, have a good night, guys, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.